Hey everyone! I'm not sure if you noticed, but wedding season is upon us, and it's time to have fun with your wedding manicure. Instead of doing the regular pink and white manicure, we're going to do something a little fun today. I'm going to show you how to do a 3D sculpted flower using our new Glam and Glitz color blend collection. So let's have some fun. The colors I'll be using for today's look are white wine, touch of pink, and sangria. Alright guys, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you and your client both have properly sanitized hands. I've already prepped her for acrylic application and she has a thin layer of natural on. Now I want to put down my base color. This color is from our color blend collection and it's called Touch of Pink. When applying this color, I want to use a very thin consistency and kind of use it as a paint to color the entire nail. I'm going to be building a flower on top of this, so by making the first layer thin, it'll reduce the bulk of the nail. Because I'm going to be adding a 3D flower to the top of this nail, I want to make the first layer of color very thin. I don't want to add any unnecessary bulk to this nail. To sculpt my flower, I like to use a size 4 3D acrylic brush. And the best thing about this is it has a point at the top, and this is going to help flatten your petals. When doing my 3D roses, I like to choose colors with a very high contrast. This is going to create a very beautiful shadow effect. So to do this, you want to pick up a small bead of your light color, and then you're going to dip it into your dark color. When placing it on the nail, you want your dark color down first, and then you're going to use the tip of your brush to flatten that out and make the petal. For my first petal, I'm going to place it at the bottom of where I want my flower to be, and I'm going to push from side to side and fan this petal out. This is going to be the base of my flower. My next petal is going to be directly opposite from the first. So you want to place your bead, and then you're going to wait a couple seconds to let this semi-solidify, and then you're going to push your brush into the acrylic bead and fan it out. When doing the center of my flower, I like to put a small bead down in the middle and then give it a little bit of time to set. And then I use the point of my brush to push a hole into the center and slowly create a swirl. So now that we have the main flower on the nail, I'm going to create some more petals cascading down the length of the nail. When doing the lower petals, I like to start furthest away from the nail and work my way up. In doing this, you can create a layered effect where it looks like the petals are overlapping each other. If you ever notice that one of your petals has too much of your darker color, you can go ahead and pick up a small bead of your lighter color and apply it to the very edge of it, and then fan it out into the darker color so that your petal has more dimension. So of course, I have to finish off this look with a little bit of bling. Okay guys, so this look is all done. If you would like to top this with top coat, you're more than welcome to. Personally, I like to leave my 3D flowers matte. I feel like it gives it a little bit more dimension. Everybody has their own style, and I believe that all styles are beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something that you can use in your 3D flowers. If you liked this video, make sure you hit like and don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!